birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Savannah. Happy birthday to you. And many more. You have to blow out the candles. Make a wish. Make a wish. Blow.
Blow.
Got it. Blow more.
Blow.
Good.
Yay! Woohoo! No, it's Little Old Lady on Channel 80.
Yes.
And Little Old Lady on Channel 80.
Yum, huh?
You remember those? We used to say after the happy birthdays.
And Scooby-Doo on Channel 2.
Mm-hmm.
You're already eating your cake?
That's okay.
Yeah.
I don't mind a lot of stuff.
It's okay, guys. I just eat my cake.
Yeah.
What do you know about it? No.
No. Yes.